own and his family's benefit. These are the three pillars on which this product is based on. And of course, best part, easy to purchase, simple documentation, simple form. For example, you will be surprised to know that non-medical cases get 3 times faster placement than a medical case. 30% of total medical cases which go to medical, the customer fails to turn up for medical. I take a DA code, I call up, I tie it up, I get everything organized, but the customer never turns up. And typical way when a non-medical case moves is, I build the case, give it to the branch, they process it, sends it for uploading, and it gets placed. So how much is the cat time for a non-medical case when the case gets placed? कितने दिन में होता है प्लेस?
सेम डे नॉन मेडिकल
सेम डे प्लेस जाता है
इफ इट्स कैश
पॉलिश डॉक्यूमेंट मिल जाता है, अंडरराइटर के पास नहीं जाता है
नहीं जो भी होता है
नॉन मेडिकल केस अंडरराइटर के पास जाता है नहीं
जाता
केस प्लेस ओनली आफ्टर रीचेस अंडरराइटर, नॉट बिफोर दैट.
या एग्जैक्टली
राइट. सो 2 to 3 days a non-medical case gets placed. What a new product in MedLife. Why do we need this product? What is MedSmart commission?
30.
How much is the allocation?
95%. For 1 lakh cases,
95% is the allocation. Then how am I paying this 30% commission to the customer, to the advisor?
Company's pocket.
Initially कहाँ से दे रहा है? long term कहाँ से आ रहा है? अभी कहाँ से दे रहा है? From the shareholders' money, which means what? Capital of the company. If I have to share with you that close to about 30% of the capital is flowing towards my MedSmart commission payout, and if I have to expand, actually MedLife will expand in coming years, and my easy product, something which will give us faster placement, faster goal sheet, more promotion, bade dhamaka, contest winners. And some of you have been asking me that sir commission बड़ा लेट आता है, placement लेट होगा तो commission भी लेट आएगा, अगर placement जल्दी होगा तो commission भी जल्दी आएगा. This product gives and takes care of all this. This is entry, the first time you entering into an OTC market or OTC segment, which is over the counter, accept or reject. There is no underwriting. This product has no underwriting. Which means when I bring the case to the branch, it will get scrutinized and either there will be an accept decision or a reject decision. No medicals. Good? Sounds good?
Yes, sir.
Let's go further and see mine. Faster placing. I know a lot of you who are pressurized for activization, especially I call you a lot of times. I was in branch and I talk active QBA. This will help us improving the activation for new FA. Now एक बार FA में नया हम लेके आते हैं और उसकी पॉलिसी प्लेस होगी और जल्दी उसका कमीशन आएगा. What will be the impact? How will the advisor feel? He will be more motivated, which means more cases, more commission. This cycle keeps on becoming bigger and bigger. Today on an average, an advisor spends 5 days on one case. With this, he will be spending barely 1 day. Simple 1 day and the policy is through. Which means we are in a win-win situation. Now, how is MedEasy placed in our product basket? What we expect of MedEasy to place close to about a minimum of 50,000 average. That's where this product is there. Lot of queries came, sir, he doesn't have an idea. He wants to give me share, but his idea is low, hence his HIV is low, which means I cannot log a case. मेरे को वही 15,000 लेना पड़ रहा है. This will help you. No financial underwriting also. Who's an ideal customer for this product? Anybody between age 20 25 to 50, an income of 5 lakhs to 10 lakhs, married with kids, where the need generation happens. Definitely a graduate who understands these small things of a product. Typically a semi-government, government or MNC guy who is very busy, cannot go for medicals, documents are lying with CA, or is not so willing to open up his ITR to you. People like professional doctors, lawyers, again they are the ones who are very busy. Doctor से policy करना सबसे मुश्किल काम है. But he thinks मैं कभी करूँगा ही नहीं. Diagnosis अपना फटाफट कर लूँगा, बच जाऊँगा, इंजेक्शन ले लूँगा. To get them into doing medical, I'll do it on my own hospital. I don't trust any other medical center. So all these people, for them, this product becomes an easy thing. Small scale businessmen, low ITR file करते हैं. Again, they want to invest more, they want to create wealth. This product will help us bring all these segments faster and easier into the system. And of course, the key point is the customer has to be in good state of health. His health has to be good. What you need to do is, can any of you identify this? Put 5 names of your choice. You think anyone who you know is very close to the profile we just discussed? 5 names. Quickly, कौन बता सकता है? 5 नाम. हमने अपने प्रोफाइल डिस्कस किया. 25 से 50 के बीच में 5 लाख की इनकम, डॉक्टर, लॉयर. 5 नाम कौन बताएगा? 5 names. That's what you need to talk to your advisors as well. 5 names. So I want 5 quick names.
लगता है हैंग हो गया है.
3 primary terms. It's a unit link endowment plan. Please remember this is a unit link endowment plan. Okay. 3 areas where we see first is a 10-year term, a 15-year term, and a 20-year term. So there are 3 terms. Endowment plan means regular pay plan. Right? So 3 terms, 10, 15, and 20. The entry age for 10-year plan is 8 years. For a 15-year plan is 3 years, and a 20-year plan is 3 months, that is 0 years. That is the minimum entry age required. The maximum entry age for 10-year term is 55 years, 50 years for 15 and 20-year term. The minimum premium for 10-year term is 20,000, 15-year term is 15,000, and 20-year term is 12,000. That's the minimum premium. The maximum premium, you can multiply very simply. 6 lakhs for 10-year term, 4 lakhs for a 15-year term, and 2 lakhs, 3 lakhs for a 20-year term. The sum assured is a multiple of premium that you pay. Fixed for a 10-year term is 5 times. For a 15-year term, 7.5 times. And for a 20-year term, it's 10 times. This is fixed. Which means if I multiply maximum premium to number of times, will give the maximum sum assured. कितना हुआ 10-year term में? 5 times maximum, 6 lakhs minimum, maximum premium. कितना हुआ maximum sum assured?
30 lakh.
For a 7.5 times minimum premium, maximum premium of 4 lakhs, 30 lakhs. And for 10 times 3 lakhs, 30 lakhs. So 30 lakhs is the maximum sum assured I can give in this product. That's the upper ceiling of this product. Minimum will depend on the minimum premium to number of times for each 10, 15 and 20-year term. Plus we have an age bracket entry as well. Up to the age of 40, 30 lakhs is maximum sum assured I can give to a customer. Between 41 and 50, it is, can anybody see that? 15 lakhs. And above 50 till the age of 55, 51 to 55 is 2 lakhs. Which means irrespective of कौन सा term choose कर रहे हो, एज के हिसाब से ये maximum sum assured आप देगा. इससे आप sum assured इस product में नहीं दे सकते.
फिर से कंप्यूटर ख़राब होता हुआ।
शादाब की कलमें।
यहाँ तक क्लियर है?
Can I request Rajiv to take it from here further?
Hi, good evening to all of you. And October, November, December, as you all know, we are in the last quarter of the year, and which is a very crucial for all of us, be it us or be it advisor, as it depends our all goal sheet depends on this particular last quarter. And this is the greatest enabler which has been given to us, greatest instrument which has been given to us. And you must be saying that last few days there was a focus that in life, at last there's something which is easy, and this is MetLife, the product launch. And you are very lucky because I have been in MetLife since last 3 years. And believe me, this product has been launched almost after 3 years. They have been implemented the product and all, but the product has been launched after 3 years. And that's, you have seen all the silent feature of it. Still more to it. The life coverage, I mean, there's 120 times of